Look at Yogurt. Mommy loves you. Are you gonna help me do my eyes? You gonna help me do the eye look? Yeah, I love you.
I'm first starting off by taking my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Cream to prime my skin. Taking my Love is the foundation brush and my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. This gives the skin a good shine and complexion. I'm going to blend out the foundation until I get it how I want it. Plouise white base and zero. I'm going to place this all over the lid and wing it out. Small pencil brush. You can use any kind of skinny brush you want. I'm going into my BH Cosmetics Club Tropicana palette. I'm taking the purple shade right here. And I'm going to start placing this under where the eyelid folds. into my Karity Matte Palette, I'm taking the blue shade called Enchanted, and we're going to place this directly into the crease above the purple and blend them together. Going back into the BH Cosmetics Club Tropicana palette, I'm taking the purple shade again, and I'm just going to go over the purple to further intensify since we lost some of the shadow when placing the blue. Taking the Plouise base again, I'm going to be cutting the crease so that we have a clean canvas for the last colors we're using. Brushes, I'm taking this cheetah collection that my husband bought me. Going into the Karity Matte Palette again for the last. Next will be this orange shade, and this is going to go on each side of the yellow, the left and the right, and we're going to blend all those shades together. I'm going to swap the brush and take this pink shade, and this is going to go on each side of the orange. For the waterline, I'm taking the Scandal Eyes pink eyeliner in Fierce Fuchsia. I'm taking the purple shade from the BH Cosmetics Club Tropicana palette, and I'm going to place that in the inner corners. I'm taking this sparkly mascara from Macy's. I'm taking my Real Techniques Instapop face brush, and we're going to put on some highlighter. I'm using the Ofra Madison Miller in Sea Shimmer. And for blush, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Color Icon in Pearlescent Pink. And that will complete today's look. I hope you guys liked all the colors I used in today's tutorial. If you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!